Acceleron Learning, life experience accelerated. On deck right now, legal basics and hiring an attorney. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Garcia. In this unit, we'll be covering what you should think about before hiring an attorney. White collar, blue collar, young and old, at one time or another, you'll need the services of an attorney. We'll take a look at how and when you should choose an attorney and some of the research methods available for making an informed decision. Retaining legal counsel will require a little homework on your side. Before hiring an attorney, you should establish a goal. Lay out exactly what you expect to achieve by hiring an attorney. Choose the right type of attorney. Not all lawyers are the same. Each has their own area of legal specialty. For example, there are defense attorneys, divorce attorneys, intellectual property attorneys, and legal malpractice attorneys, among others. Check the attorney's qualifications. Be sure the attorney is licensed to practice law in your jurisdiction. The attorney should have the requisite educational background, have passed the bar exam for that state, have relevant experience, and a good reputation. Learn about what type of licensure is required for attorneys in your state. Assure that the proper licensure is held by your attorney, such as state, federal, or appellate. Learn about the firm. Find out what the firm's typical caseload is, and assure that your attorney has adequate time and resources to devote to your case. Find out how successful the firm has been for other clients. Get a clear idea of what the attorney charges. Typically, this is an hourly rate. Assess the attorney's people skills. Is your attorney friendly, personable, and diplomatic? You want to be sure your attorney is both someone who can represent you well and someone that you can trust and get along with. Next, let's go over what you need to do to prepare for meeting with an attorney. The first step is to summarize the story or issue. Write down or type up the following. Determine the who, what, where, when, why, and how of the incident. Establish what wrongs you believe were committed by or against you. Determine the legality of the issue, including the matter of law, nuisance, or inconvenience, tort, and crime, and create an itemization of damages. Next, assemble key documents, including summary of the incident, which we just discussed, list of witnesses with name, address, and phone number, tickets or citations, bring a copy of your citation, summons or subpoenas, insurance claims or medical bills, insurance information if it's relevant, lost wages if relevant, medical bills if relevant, support for and against your position, and a list of prescribed and non-prescribed medications you are currently taking. Be honest, they will be discovered. Lastly, compose a list of contacts, including the following people: involved parties, witnesses, experts, and references. At the meeting, your attorney will assess the damages and determine your options. Be sure to request a timeline, as legal proceedings can often span several years. Request a fee proposal. You want to be aware of the financial commitment that you are making. All right, so now you know what is required to prepare for a meeting with an attorney. Over the next few slides, we will go over in detail the key points mentioned on the concept overview slide. How to establish a goal, choosing the right type of attorney, checking the attorney's qualifications, learning about the firm, and assessing your attorney's people skills.